Hi guys, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back already with the super quick setup that I promised you. I was just gonna show it on Instagram, but then I realized that, if you like to replicate the look, it's easier to have it on a YouTube video because, on Instagram, it's kind of hard to kind of play back and stop and play back and stop. So here I am. So the reason that I wanted to share with you how you can set up a planner is that this month in the October subscription box for Simply Gilded, Irene has included a gorgeous what is it called? Acetate, yes, and a gorgeous vellum as well. So with all the other accessories that were included and just adding a little bit of things that you have at home, you can create a full setup. And I love the theme so much. I love the colors that I really wanted to show you, but this was super quick. I basically did this in a couple of hours yesterday. And I wanted to share that you don't have to have this exact planner, which I'll show you what it is, but look how gorgeous it will be with a hot pink, even with a red or a white, because there's so many colors that are included that you can actually pick on any colors, pick up on any colors you prefer. But I wanted to go with this clear B6 wide planner from the Planner Society. I love the little bows, and I thought it was a gorgeous match for the kit, and that this was released a while ago, but I think a lot of you guys may have it and may have picked it up. Otherwise, use whatever planner you want. Now, I did the B6 because the insert that is included in the box is a B6, but again, you can size it down. You can kind of trim it down to whatever size you prefer. In the front here, I have attached an initial P, which is from Fox and Pip. I love, love, love this initial letter. It's just a decal with a little bow. And then, and again, this is a B6 TN, what is it called? TN, yes. So it's six, I think it comes with 6 string. It's a really wide, you can really use a lot of decorations in here. Now, the first insert that I have, the first dashboard, I basically created using the gorgeous journaling card that comes in this month's box, and I wanted to pop off this metallic gold cardstock that I've had forever. I bought it at Michael's. They sell occasionally these 12 by 12 pads that are all metallic, so we stock up with those. And when I had simply the card on it, it just looked a little sad. It just didn't really make the colors of the card pop. So I backed the card with 2 separate trims. This first trim is from Michael's. It comes in this little kind of rolls of several different ribbons, and you can find it when they have all their ribbons. So, and I always love this because it's got a little pom-poms on the side. And then I added on the bottom another trim from Target. I buy these when they have them at the dollar store, in the dollar spot. This one was for Christmas or Valentine's. It's all red, so I love how the white, kind of pops on the black, on the red. And then here I put 2 bows, one on top of each other. I originally just wanted the red, but then the red was not really popping by itself. So since there's a few yellow accents in here, I just thought that the yellow would really look cute there. Then I have 2 faux Swarovski crystals, the little stickers you find at Michael's, and they're just black. And then here I use the glitter edgers from the Planner Society. I love these edgers. They're really easy to use. They add a little, kind of like a, I don't know, they kind of finish the page to me. And also I love how the scalloped edge matches the scallop edge on the Target trim, but because I kind of matchy as you guys know already. And again, this is gonna be my gratitude journal. So all the inserts in here are blank inserts because I plan to either write down something I'm grateful for, or journal about it, or add affirmations cards. I love affirmations cards. I like to have them around me. And I thought that this would be a good way for me to hold them all together. So at the moment, there isn't, all the inserts are blank, but of course you can use it for any other purpose. You don't have to use it for gratitude journal. But this is the back of the insert, and I have a little adhesive pocket from Christy, the Planner Society. It is the clear one with the black bows, and then I doubled up another bow here, a red one on top of a black one. Then I have a sticker sheet from the October sub box. It's the mini deco sheet. And then I have used the September sub box washi card to store a sampler of all the washi included this month. Mind you, the 5mm white and gold are not included in this month. It's something that I had, but this is kind of how I created my washi dashboard, so I kind of wanted to replicate that. And on top of here, I have one of the older paper clips from the subscription. It's got the little bunny, and I love bunnies, and so I wanted to include it there. Now, in order to transition from this page to this page, I have used one of the doilies that you can buy at Michael's. They're always in the front bins. And I was going to go, I have a black one too, but I didn't want it to make it too dark, you know, and I thought the pink would pick up here and then kind of pick up on the next edges, so to brighten it up a little bit. And then here's the gorgeous acetate that came in the kit. This was already perfectly sized for the insert, so I didn't have to do anything. I just layered on top of the insert, and I've used this puffy sticker that I got at Hobby Lobby. It says grateful, so here, since it is a great, you know, gratitude journal, I thought it would be a good fit. And then here in the back, again, the foiling is gold foil in the front and it is silver in the back, so you can switch it around if you prefer to have silver in the front. And this is the stunning insert that came with the kit. And I really didn't want to do much to it because it's already perfect as is. And all I did is actually I covered up the two little hearts that were here with this kind of puffy heart from Michael's, because I wanted to match it to the pink trim, pink edges that I used from the Planner Society. I used these also kind of like enamel, faux enamel little stickers from Michael's, and I think I got all these for Valentine's. And then I doubled up another bow because I guess this was the double up bow kind of setup, and I used a red one in the bottom and then this pink one. I've had this one too for over a decade, so unfortunately I don't know, guys, where I got it, but I'm sure you have something similar. And then here is the insert. The insert is as it came. It comes with the black cardstock, so you can use it for journaling, or if you want to use it, let's say, for practicing your handwriting, lettering, etc. And then I have added here a bow from Lamb. And actually this bow was from an older Simply Gilded kit. So Lamb is PeoniesPaperie. She has beautiful bows. I love her bows, and so I added it there. And then in the back here, so the back of the insert that comes in the kit has this saying, you know, brave and bold in the back. And I wanted to add here what it is called, the sticky notes that come in the kit, but I didn't want to cover it. So the positioning, it's not the best, but I really wanted the brave and bold to be there. So I kind of lowered where I would normally have the sticky notes, and I just made it a little lower. And then here I put this little decal with my name that was given to me by a friend. And I just love the hot pink, how it picks it up. And then here's the back of the acetate with another decal from Fox and Pip, another bow. Here's the back of the doily, and here is the gorgeous dashboard. I just love how this dashboard pops. Now this instead is a metallic decal from Oncemorewithlove from Marg. I love the bow, and it's metallic, so it's kind of, you know, really cool feel, and I really wanted not to cover the pattern, and so this is the perfect solution. Now I have not actually laminated this dashboard. I usually do, but my machine has had the habit of chewing up my inserts, and not my insert, by my lamination, and so I need to find a new machine. So in the meantime, I didn't want to ruin it, so this is as is, and I'll just laminate it once I get a new one. But it actually is fine unless you do a lot of, like, you know, if you keep your journal or whatever at home, I don't think it gets that damaged. And then here I did a little bit of you know, crafting to create this page, which is actually probably my most favorite page. So this is the box, and as I mentioned, I did mention to you guys in my unboxing that the front of the box was just too beautiful. I couldn't leave it there, so what I did, I just cut around the box. So this is the main section, the one that starts here and goes down, and I just cut around it with, you know, super sharp scissors, and then I put it on 3D dots. Then I had these two flowers that were left because they were on the corner, so I cut those separately and I put them on 3D dots. So I kind of created my own design. And then I attached them to the vellum that came with the kit. Now I backed the vellum on black cardstock because I really wanted to have like that nice, you know, dark background. And in order to keep the vellum to the cardstock, I've used this cute little heart brads. And then I used Edger from the Planner Society again. And here I first used the red bow, and of course I had to double it up. And I actually love how the blue with the polka dot shows. So this is to be probably my favorite you know, of all the dashboard, I have to think, because it's just like, she shows you, you know, like Irene's boxes are so gorgeous that, you know, don't throw them away because you can make something beautiful out of it. And this is another, you know, clear, not clear, but empty, you know, blank insert. And then in the back here, I just added this lucky word. It's one of, this is from a Heidi Swap old little kit. And I just said lucky not because I think I'm lucky, but because I think I tend to think like everybody else that, you know, bad things happen and etc. And you know, it's not really until the really bad things happen that, you know, we are lucky. Every day we're lucky and it is a beautiful day. So I just wanted to kind of put that sentiment out there to just remind myself. And then in the middle here, I just put one of the seals, both seals that come in this month's kit. This is the back of the dashboard with another one of Marg's beautiful metallic bow decals. And here is the pouch. This is something that I've been doing for a very long time. I love to include pouches in my setups. So all I do is I put a little hole here and then put an elastic through it, as you can tell. And actually what I did, because I wanted to be really fancy, and because there is a, you know, beautiful lining in here, I didn't want to ruin the lining. So I just I used you know, a really big needle, and I put the elastic and I made it go through under the lining. So the lining is not ruined, nothing's gonna fly, you know, come out. But whenever you want to remove it, it's just attached by elastic that then you just you know, put over here, and you're all set. And you can put your stickers. I'm planning to put stickers in here or any kind of supply, but I love how it's, you know, kind of like sits there. So this is it, guys. And again, it's super easy, super quick, and I hope you will set up your own planner. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Usually it's better if you send me a DM on Instagram at Planning Fancy, since I always answer those. But I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.